I am Rashi Goyal from Podar International College. As we all are aware of this coronavirus pandemic, and we all know that there is only one cure to this virus, and that is stay at home. But we don't know what is to be done after all this gets over and our life comes back to normal. So here are some points I'm requesting you to follow those points. Firstly, obey the rules given by the government. Secondly, do not visit foreign countries. Just trip around in India. I repeat, please do not visit foreign countries. And do not buy our necessities from foreign brands, foreign multi-stores, Indian but developed multi-stores. I request you to buy from those local workers, local artisans, the lower section of the Indian society who have suffered a great loss in this quarantine due to coronavirus. This will contribute in recovering our economy. This will contribute a major portion of our economy itself. At last, I would like to say the doctors and policemen out there are risking their lives to save our lives. So we can help them just by staying at home. Please stay at home, everyone, and thank you. Be safe.